Thanks for stopping by. So you got a dishwasher and you don't know what to do with it. You don't know if you should bring it to the scrapyard just like it is, or tear it apart, or just throw it in the garbage. Well, I got the solution for that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get it on the scale and see how much it weighs to see if there's any value in it. Now it shows close to 70 pounds. Now if you're not for sure for a weight, pick it up and give it an estimate. Most of them are going to be about the same weight, probably between 55 and 75 pounds. Now that we got the weight established, we can take the recent prices from the scrapyard and calculate how much money it's going to be worth if we just bring it in like it is. At 7 cents a pound, it's going to be $4.20 just to bring it in like it is. First thing we're going to do to check, see if there's any valuable metals, is snip the wires on this motor to see if it's copper or not. Looks like to me that there's copper windings in the motor. My personal experience in scrapping, there's not a lot of value in tearing a dishwasher apart, but we're going to tear it apart anyway, see how much time you have to have invested to make $20 an hour. You're trying to make 20 bucks an hour, so you got to work 60 minutes to make 20 bucks. Another thing you have to consider is the debris that you have to get rid of. Now, do you have a dumpster somewhere you can get rid of the plastic after you tear it apart? If not, you're probably better off just to scrap it like it is. In this video, I'm going to tear apart this dishwasher and see if there's any valuable metal. Then we'll figure out how much value a dishwasher has, as well as how much time we have invested. Also, we'll break down the time, figure out the actual pay per hour, how fast you need to disassemble to make $20 per hour. We've got about 30 pounds of waste. Here's everything that has any value. We still have a little bit of waste to remove. Here's all the valuable metal I recovered from the dishwasher. 1 pound of aluminum, 1/2 pound of brass, almost 2 pounds of stainless, 1.5 pounds insulated wire, a little bit over 1.5 pounds of copper. Here's the steel. It's a little bit too bulky to get on the scale. Probably about 35 pounds. Total estimated value about $13. First, we have our hourly expectation. Our hourly expectation is $20 per hour. Next is the estimated value of the item that we're tearing apart. In this case, it's a dishwasher. Estimated value is $13. We know we have to work 1 hour for $20. Our estimated value is $13. 30 minutes for $10. 33 minutes for $11. 36 minutes for $12. And 39 minutes for $13. You have to get the project complete in 39 minutes in order to make $20 an hour.